Well, good morning everybody. Today we are back on the outside of the porch and we are looking to see what it is that needs to be done up there. So Frank's checking it all out. Hey! He's checking it all out to see what needs to be done to, you guessed it, temporarily patch the roof. But you can kind of see, while he's throwing that stuff down, you can see the wall that we built yesterday. Was that yesterday or the day before? I don't know, they're all starting to run together, all these temporary walls.
We get to go up there and see what we can do about this big hole in the roof that's doing all this damage. This is the side of the house. They closed in the porch area by the kitchen. And this is what I'm dealing with up here. There's a hole in the roof that we're going to try to fix. Doesn't look like fun. So I got my Slater tools, little stack of slate, and we'll try to temporarily fix this so it won't leak as bad, because right now it just pours water in. This is not the right way to do slate, but it's gonna make it through the winter. I'm just screwing them and trying to cover this hole up, because this whole roof needs attention, so there's no point in wasting slate by doing them right and then having to pull them back off. But it'll cover this hole up for the winter, and that's what we're trying to do right now, is close this puppy up to make it where it's not gonna leak in here and cause any more deterioration down in this porch down here. There's another couple on. The hole's getting smaller. Had to use one of my hangers. They go up under here like this. And then nail into the substrate, and then it just hangs right on, the slate just hangs on that. Keeps them from falling. Slate hangers, gotta love them. I gotta move my ladder, can't reach this part anymore, so used another hanger. Gonna have to use one up there on that one right there, and gotta finish that spot. There we go. That didn't take very long, not as long as I was thinking. The screws are a lot easier to use for a temporary thing. There's no way you could pull them out or nothing, but I'm just gonna have to probably bust these slates when we get ready to take them out. But as far as getting something weatherproofed, it was a lot quicker than using tar paper or anything else. And it's it'll last for a little while. There's still some spots where it's leaking, but man, it's a lot better than it was. This was a big hole. Carrie talked me into fixing a couple of the slates in the valley, so we're trying to get this weather resistant again.
Frank got him a new harness, which is exciting because now each of us have one. and we can leave the adjustment set so we don't have to keep changing it. So he's gonna give it a go this morning. We need to get rid of some limbs so we can safely bring the telehandler to one side of the house, but they're limbs that needed to be trimmed anyway. So while he's setting that, there's a beautiful shot of Bertha basking in the morning sun before she has to go to work. And she has her hot cup of tea sitting there in the cab. How's it fit?
Like, I don't know. I'd hate to have a glove that fit like this. But I think it'll keep me safe.
Good.
Warning, when in use, keeper must close and lock, and it is. That's what this is for right here. Little lanyard to
Keep your tail from getting caught. All right. We moved Bertha over here to see what we can see up here. She does leave tracks in the yard though.
We're getting ready to go up and solve the big leak by the maid's room. That one is probably the worst leak we have so far. I mean, still. And it's that offending area right there at the end of that box gutter. Gary's gonna take me up and we'll go see if we can fix it. So here's the area we're gonna be working on. There. There's some slate missing there and a pretty bad spot right there. And if I can get to that one, I'll get to that one. We'll see how bad it is under there. Alrighty, that's why the maid's room is getting so nasty. The water runs down this valley and it was funneling it right into that hole. There's no way it couldn't have got wet in there. I have one spot fixed. I don't even know where it is now. Ah, that one right there. Got that one almost ready to go, but they used a flathead screw, and those are hard to take out. And I gotta put a bib in there. That nail's exposed, so that'll quit leaking. Taking care of some of the little tiny leaks while I'm up here. It certainly can't hurt. Okay, well, I think the maid's room will now not fill up that tub with water so easily. It looks pretty bad, but it all flows downhill and it'll work for the winter until we can get in here, and we got to replace this valley anyway. So all the slate has to come off on the sides, but I just wanted to make sure that we quit filling tubs. And I did a little repair right there. I mean, it looks terrible, but it'll work for now. Keep it dry-ish. Alrighty, I think I fixed some of the spots here. That the bad one was right in here somewhere. But it's gone. Fix that spot there. One more hanger, and then this one. It's pretty much leak-ish proof.
We are addressing some of the big leaks that are not on the flat roof, and just doing a quick fix. And so
unorthodox fix.
yeah, but we know we'll come back and fix it right later. But right now we've got
too many to do before winter.
right. So right now we're just, like we said, trying to stop the water as much as we can and then come back to it. And there's that famous word we're so famous for, Frank.
Temporary.
Temporary.
We're trying to go from little tubs or big tubs to buckets.
This
Right
leak,
now,
yeah.
this is big tubs.
Two
And a few of
tubs.
them.
Yeah, this one's 2 tubs and a bucket.
We're trying to go for drips. We like drips better than buckets.
Yeah.
And then we'll get to nothing. Eventually.
Even though this is not a permanent fix, it sure does make us feel good so that we're at least stopping them on the roof instead of waiting till they're inside.
Yes.
That is very satisfying.
There's no stopping us now.
We're just trying to fix the worst offenders at the moment.
Ladder.
Okay. How many more do you need?
This is it. Just remind me to bring a bib up.
Yep. That side of the maid's room looks really nice, babe.
Now, where's some more very bad culprits?
Other than the valley, or other than there, though you've got the worst culprits. Those are the last tubs that we've had.
This one doesn't look very bad.
No. Do you want to just throw one in there? Okay. You got most of the culprits. Looks nice. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time. I just got home and I found a trail to find this. These are dried roses from Aaron's wedding. Some little girls got into the roses. Yes. Shame on you. Taylor is going to be very sad. Ugh. Someone's trying to sneak in here like she didn't do anything. Minnie.